If you're looking for a place where you'll get to enjoy your student life to the very fullest, Edinburgh Westfield is the place for you. Located on Westfield Road, the property offers a range of well-lit studios and ensuite apartments for you to choose from. No matter what you choose, all the apartments here are fully furnished with cozy beds that will keep you toasty warm during those chilly Scottish nights, a Wi-Fi-enabled workspace, an ensuite shower room, and lots of storage. When the weekend rolls around, chill out in the common areas or even catch a flick in the cinema hall. And when it's time to hit the books, there are study rooms where you and your roomies can get on with your brainstorming session. Oh, and did we mention the on-site gym? Best of all, Edinburgh Napier University, Edinburgh College of Art, and other major unis are just a stone's throw away, so you won't have to worry about being late to class. In addition, the area is also well connected to major public transport networks, so exploring the city will be a breeze. So if you're looking to have the time of your life as a student, hop on over to amberstudent.com and book Edinburgh Westfield today.